This question is about the effect of light intensity on the rate of photosynthesis. So first, it asks us to describe the results shown in 1.1, and it's 2 marks, so then I need to split the graph into 2 parts. Part 1, which shows that as light intensity increases, rate of photosynthesis also increases. But then, the second part shows that the rate of photosynthesis plateaus beyond a certain light intensity. So those are the 2 points that I will include in the first answer. As light intensity increases, and I'm going to use an upward arrow to represent increase, the rate of photosynthesis also increases. But in the exam, you need to actually write full sentences and words. So I'm just using these symbols to speed up the explanation process. And then number 2, the rate of photosynthesis plateaus beyond that level of light intensity shown by this arrow here. And the reason for the plateau, or part X of the graph, is because light intensity is no longer a limiting factor, or it's no longer in shortage. And instead, other factors such as carbon dioxide level or temperature has to be increased to increase the rate of photosynthesis. So that's the second point of this question, because this is also a 2-mark question. So then carbon dioxide concentration has to be increased to raise or increase the rate of photosynthesis. Next question is about the cross-section of a leaf, and the question is asking us to describe the 2 features that allow for efficient gas exchange. So that's a key word here, gas. And when you see the word gas, think of these large air spaces in the leaf, as well as the holes, which are the stomata. One hole is a stoma, multiple holes, stomata. So then you can mention the large air spaces for gases to diffuse in and out of, and the guard cells control the stomata to allow gases in and out of the leaf. And in the next question, it asks you to label a cell that's best adapted for photosynthesis, which means that it has many chloroplasts. Of course, that's going to be the palisade layer, or palisade cells in the palisade layer beneath the upper epidermis. So this is the cell, or the palisade cell, best adapted for photosynthesis. And the last question asks you to state the chemical formulae of the products of photosynthesis. Of course, we know photosynthesis makes carbohydrates and oxygen. So the carbohydrate is glucose, C6H12O6, and oxygen gas is the other chemical form.